83 megapascals, using the Schrader valve. 4. Upon opening the solenoid valve, 1, the air from the reservoir is transferred to the projectile, which is fired out of the muzzle. Pneumatic launchers are thought about a little harder to construct due to the requirement of a completely airtight building and construction. These cannons have 4 basic elements: a filling valve, an air chamber, a pressure release valve, a barrel, and a pneumatic spud weapon. Air is pumped into the pressure chamber. The filling valve is typically offered types such as a Schrader or Presta valve, but other assemblies to pressurize the cannon such as quick release connections with ball or examine valves have been utilized. The pressure release valve is typically among a range of commercially available types such as a plumbing ball valve, an irrigation sprinkler valve, or a fast exhaust valve. The most typical customized style used is the piston valve. Several valves arranged to be set off together or periodically utilized as an option to a single bigger valve. The range of pneumatic cannons is more variable than the series of combustion spud guns due to the increased variation possible in the components. Pneumatic spud weapons are normally more powerful than combustion spud weapons. A normal combustion weapon creates average chamber pressures of about 30 pounds per square inch, 210 kilopascals, with peaks of around 70,100 pounds per square inch, 500,700 kilopascals, while the typical pneumatic gun can operate at pressures in the vicinity of 100 pounds per square inch, 700 kilopascals. 4 megapascals, or greater. PVC dry ice cannon in use. 1. 5 kilograms, 3 pounds, of concrete is poured at the bottom to strengthen it, and plastic sleeves are used to stiffen the lower, highest pressure, part. A solidified carbon dioxide cannon utilizes the sublimation of strong carbon dioxide to create the gas pressure to move a projectile and is a variation of the burst disc cannon. When the pressure of the carbon dioxide from the subliming dry ice develops high enough, the projectile will be blown out of television. The pressures of such devices are not really high, as it just requires to build enough to conquer the static friction of the projectile jammed in the barrel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.